Let's start with a box plot. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, we can go ahead and use Seaborn. And so we'll do sns.boxplot. Okay. And we basically pick what's the column that we want to create a box plot of. Now in Seaborn, I can tell you it's standard. Standard way of doing it is like this. You say what the data is, df, and then you just say the x, in terms of like what column are we looking at. And let's look at the actual number of bike rentals, which would be the count. Okay, that's the far right column over here, C and T. Okay, so that is our baseline. We'll go ahead and do plt.show, and I'm going to make this nice and large. So I'm going to go ahead and use the fig size, so plt.figure. We'll set the fig size to be something like it's horizontal / vertical, maybe a 10 by 6. Okay, so this is a box plot. I'm going to put that in a comment. Create a box plot of number of bike rentals. That's what the count is. Okay, so get the code up there, press Shift Enter to run it, and there we have a nice visual. Okay, so what does this visual tell us? Okay, it tells us the number of bike rentals. It tells us that this is the median, that the median number of rentals is, it looks like it's a little under 5,000. And these give us the quartiles, so the quartiles are between, let's just say roughly 3,000 to 6,000. So that's the majority of rentals. And then it looks like we have a minimum of just a shade over 0 and a maximum of over 8,000. Sometimes you will see dots to the far right or left. Those are outliers. But that is a general box plot.